Hey guys, my name is Yona and this is a guide to Olympic diving. Forward twist can be done one of two ways. Either you twist before the somersault, known as twisting in, or you twist after the somersault, known as twisting out. Twist is a way for divers to try out new combinations to try and increase their degree of difficulty, because you can either add more somersaults or more twists to make the dive more challenging. Jennifer Abel from Canada and Maddie Keeney and Annabelle Smith from Australia are three great examples of how twist can be used to increase the degree of difficulty. They're all stepping up their game in women's diving to do the forward 2.5 with 2 twists, whereas most female divers will do the forward 2.5 with 1 twist. 2.5 somersaults is when the in and out difference comes into effect. On springboard, the most popular method is twisting after the somersault, where the diver would do between 1 and 1.5 somersaults in a pike shape before extending out of it and then wrapping into the twist. On platform, the divers who choose to do forward twist will usually do the twist first before folding into a pike shape. Forward 2.5 with 3 twists is the most difficult dive in this direction, also known as the triple out on 3 metre or the triple in on 10 metre. For this to be possible, the twist position has to be excellent. One arm has to be on the back of the head, and the other arm, which creates the twist movement, has to wrap tightly across the chest. Chinese diver He Chong made this dive really popular way back in the day. I actually remember back in 2006 when I was at a competition in Lund in Sweden. I was sat on poolside and my coach Edwin was telling me all about this Chinese diver who was doing a forward 2.5 with 3 twists, and I was going crazy because I was struggling to make a forward 1.5 with 1 twist. Literally, I thought it was phenomenal that this guy was doing an extra somersault and 2 extra twists in what I was doing. You can understand why it became so popular, because he made it look so easy. I mean, just watch this. With the triple in on 10 metre, it was actually the same Mexican divers that I mentioned in my last video that made this dive popular. Similarly to their in 4.5, it was pretty much instrumental in their silver medal performance back in London in 2012. Most divers still do opt for the back twist on 10 metre, but there's still a lot of divers working towards the triple in because of its higher degree of difficulty. There are a few divers who have chosen to add more somersaults rather than more twists. Tom Daly is one who's chosen to do this with his firework dive on 10 metre, otherwise known as a forward 3.5 somersaults with 1 twist. He decided to put his twist in after completing 2.5 somersaults first, therefore doing it out. For me, at the Commonwealth Games, I should be completing the forward 2.5 somersaults with 1 twist, also known as the full out. Whoa. And the forward 2.5 somersaults with 2 twists, also known as the double out. Also on 1 metre, I should be completing the full out. I've recently learnt a new technique on my front twist, which you can see in Life of a Jamaican Diver vlog number 14. I'll put the link in the description below. Any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. If not, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on next week's video. Peace.